Another major deadline with the government shutdown has also passed. Head Start programs across the country did not receive federal funding on Saturday. Many of them facing their first day today with closed doors, and that includes programs in Clinton, Muscatine, and Scott County. And in Scott County is where we find our Madeline Gillespie this morning. Madeline, the closure is impacting around 294 children and 45 staff members.
Yeah, that's right, Jenna. This has a major impact on hundreds of local families. When Head Start programs close their doors, children lose access to much more than just a classroom. And today's the first day these centers won't be open due to that loss of funding. I'm joined this morning by Daniel Sheridan with Community Action of Eastern Iowa. Daniel, can you tell me a little bit about what the Head Start program is and what it provides for people who may not know?
Yeah, absolutely. Well, you're here in one of our classrooms right now. So we provide quality care and education for kids ages 0 to 5. But specifically, our program, to access it, though it is thought of as a free program, you have to be a family that's at the poverty level. And so really, we are that safety net of resource for kids and families to have a safe place and a consistent routine and healthy foods and health supports and all sorts of other things that we can wrap around the kids and families. So we're far more than just what people might think of as a daycare program. We're comprehensive.
Right. Now, how will this shutdown and loss of funding impact the kids in this program and their parents?
Consistency. Consistency is so huge. And I had the pleasure of driving around on Friday and seeing all the staff and seeing all the kids. And those kids aren't going to understand why they're not coming back to the Head Start Center, where they're getting healthy food. And, on the parent side, when it comes to, whether it's vision screenings or creating an individualized education plan, kids with disabilities, like we're serving all types of kids who wouldn't have these resources besides. So it's an essential thing to have in a community.
And it's putting a lot of families in a really hard position. But you had mentioned to me a little bit ago, there's a way for people to help out. How can they do that? How can they donate?
Yeah, so Community Action of Eastern Iowa, we've been running the Head Start program for 60 years here in the region. So you can just go to the Community Action of Eastern Iowa website, click donate, and put Head Start on your donation, and all dollars will go to these families right now. We'll be putting together resources and things they need, because we are staying in touch with them so that we can keep supporting them.
All right, thank you. We appreciate your time this morning. It's a great program and a great way to donate to help support these families who otherwise are left with nowhere to turn to help with their kids' education and meal support. Live in Davenport, Madeline Gillespie, KWQC TV6 News.
All right, Madeline, thank you. Now, Head Start programs in Illinois are funded through the end of the year.